Hi, everybody. My name is Jaye Tritz. I'm an instructor with NATP, and I'm here to share with you today some information on an upcoming webinar that I will be giving in the month of June. And essentially, it is part 2 of our estates series. And what we'll be focusing on here in part 2 is the estate income tax return itself, the 1041. We'll talk about the filing requirements. We'll talk about when an estate even needs to be set up. We'll talk about the Section 645 election, as well as other elections that may be handy to assist the executor in their duties and operations. One of the important concepts when we're dealing with Form 1041 is the idea of income versus principal. And we will discuss the inheritance process for the beneficiary when they're inheriting income that's being distributed to them versus principal that may be essentially the body of the estate. And we'll also talk about the all-important allocation of expenses. There are a lot of expenses sometimes involved in operating an estate, but especially if there's tax-exempt income in the mix of our income, we may have to allocate those expenses partly to that tax-exempt income and essentially not be able to deduct those. So a lot of the complications involved when we're dealing with estate income tax return. We'll also touch on closing out the estate, filing that final 1041. And then we'll finish up by demonstrating the preparation of a Form 1041 and its accompanying Schedule 1. So I do hope that you are motivated, if you will, to take this part 2. It dovetails nicely with the part 1 that I'll be delivering at the end of May, because it takes over where that one left off and picks up on the estate 1041. So I certainly hope to see you online for Estates Part 2.